Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to watch PPV on Firestick for free. Now, this guide is for educational purposes only. Use only legal sources to stream content. First is the Kodi add-ons. You can install the Kodi onto your Firestick and use add-ons like the Crew, Mad Titan, or Sport HD. Now, this is from the trusted repositories, and then this often stream PPV events for free. Two is you can try the free IPTV apps, which some IPTV series provide free access to the PPV events and use with the players like TV Mate or Flix Player. Third is you can visit the sports streaming website like Silk or the downloader for the Fire Stick. Sites like VIP Row, Crackstream, or SpongeRunch might steam live PPV fights. Expect ads and pop-ups. Fourth is to use VPN. Now, hide your IP and bypass geo restrictions using the ExpressVPN. It also protects your privacy when using the third-party apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.